What's up everyone? It's me, yours truly, Tree John Valencia, and welcome back to Truly Asia Diaries. A mega love shoutout mga ka-RCFC all over the world. We receive another request for Ruel Carino for 4 months nang walang kapalit. Yes, oh my God, it's an OPM as Matt Monroe. So tignan natin how Ruel will execute this performance. And this is from Eat Bulaga, guys. So thank you so much po sa nagsend ng link para mareaktan natin itong walang kapalit by Ruel because Ruel ay walang kapalit sa puso natin. Charis! Thank you so much po. And of course, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to like our video and also subscribe to Truly Asia Diaries. So what are we waiting for? Let's go! Check this out. Alright, we are playing in 3, 2, 1, and go. Here it is, guys. Oh, okay. Ito yung karugtang ng kanina. Ganda ng pansi bunso. Wow. Sobrang madamdamin naman ang pagkakakanta ng Ruel. Uy! Is that Ruel's mom? I love that vocal technique. Grabe yung switching niya doon na. Ang pogi ng contestant. Charet. Diba? Very Matt Monroe and kombinasyon ng kanyang normal vocal. Ooh, love it. So sweet. Aww. Wow! Diba, ginamitan na naman tayo ng bunso nung escalated notes na high notes na akala mo mabibitin, but it's his own vocal technique. Grabe. Ibang-iba talaga si Ruel doon. Balikan natin, guys. This part. Diba? Love it. Feel na feel. So smooth. Ang cute naman, no? There you have it, guys. That is Ruel Carino performing Walang Kapalit sa Eat Bulaga. Grabe ang execution ng bunsuton. Very smooth and very balladeer na Matt Monroe vibes. Singing OPM, no? Matt Monroe singing OPM. Grabe. And ang cute ng last part niya. Sobrang nakakatuwa and very heartfelt rendition. Thank you so much po for requesting this. At syempre, kung meron pa kayong mga requests, don't forget to send the link in the comment section or you can send it directly to my Instagram, Truly John Valencia, para po dire-diretso ang ating reaction video for ating bunso, Ruel Carino. And of course, kung may maganap si Ruel, ibalita nyo yan sa akin para maalam natin ang mga abangan natin na susunod na ganap ng bunsong Ruel Carino. And if you enjoyed this reaction video, guys, please don't forget to like our video and also subscribe to Truly Asia Diaries. So once again, my name is John. This is Truly Asia Diaries. I'll see you on my next one. Spread happiness, guys. Bye for now.